Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello, in this video we are discussing exercise 1.5 questions 1 and 2. We have already studied what are rational numbers. Numbers of the form p by q where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. And some examples you can see here 2 by 3, 1.58, 0.3333 etc. like this. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers also we have studied. Numbers which cannot be written in the form p by q where p and q are integers. Also q not equal to 0. Root 2, decimal numbers not repeating, not terminating and pi, all these are examples. In exercise 1.5 we are asked to classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. First number is 2 minus root 5. What type of number is this? This is irrational. The reason is 2 is a rational number but root 5 is irrational. When we find the difference between a rational number and irrational number, the answer is always an irrational. So 2 minus root 5 is irrational. Next is 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. We can open the bracket here and then we can simplify first. 3 plus root 23. We write that number, then minus root 23. Plus root 23 cancel with minus root 23. Then the remaining number is 3. 3 is a rational number, we know that. 3 is a rational number. So this number 3 plus root 23 minus root 23 is a rational number. Next is 2 root 7 over 7 root 7. We can say root 7 a common numerator and denominator, it cancel. Then we get 2 by 7. What is 2 by 7? This is number of the form p by q where p and q are integers. So we can say 2 by 7 is a rational number. So the given number 2 root 7 over 7 root 7 is rational. Next number 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is irrational. What is the reason why it is irrational? 1 is an integer but root 2 is not integer. Even though it is in p by q form, it is not integer by integer form. So it is irrational number. Next is 2 pi. Pi is irrational we know and 2 is a rational number. When we multiply an irrational number with a rational number, the result is irrational. So here 2 pi is irrational. The second question is simplify each of the following expressions. 3 plus root 3 times 2 plus root 2. 2 terms in each bracket. So we start multiplying with the first term in the first bracket to all terms in the other bracket. 3 times 2. It is 6. 3 we multiply with the root number 2. So it is 3 root 2. We have to write the result. 3 root 2. Next we are going to multiply root 3 with the 2. How to write the result? Write the number first, that is 2. Then root number 3. So it is root 2 root 3. Then root 3 times root 2. This we can write under one root. 2 times 3 is 6. So it is root 6. Can we connect any similar terms? When we check, no, we cannot connect. All are different types of terms. So we write as the final answer. Next is 3 plus root 3 times 3 minus root 3. When we look this first bracket and second bracket, we can see this is of the form a plus b times a minus b. So we can write that this is similar to the identity a plus b times a minus b. In place of a 3 and place of b root 3. And we can see the first bracket plus a plus b. The second bracket of the form a minus b. If we multiply like this, what answer we get? Then we get the result a square minus b square. Now we can simplify the given bracket using this identity. So it is in place of a 3 and in place of b root 3. We get a square. What is a square? 3 square minus b square. So we write root 3 square. 3 square is 9. 3 times 3, 9. Minus root 3 square. If we take root and square, that cancel. So we get only 3. 9 minus 3. What answer? It is 6. So the bracket we have removed using the identity a plus b times a minus b. Look at the third question. It is root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. This is of the form a plus b the whole square. What is the expansion? Expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. With this expansion, we can find the value for root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. So the first term, it is a square, that means root 5 square, plus in the middle. Second term is 2ab, so it is 2, a is root 5 and b is root 2. So we write root 5 times root 2 plus b square, that is root 2 square. We can simplify and write the next step. Root 5 square. What is the answer? Root and square cancel. We get 5. Only 5. Plus 2 times root 5 times root 2. We can write under one root. Root 10. 5 times 2, 10. Then root 2 square. It is 2. There are two integers, 5 and 2. So we can write them as 5 plus 2, 7. Plus 2 root 10. This is the answer. 7 plus 2 root 10. See the next one. There are two brackets. Root 5 minus root 2 times root 5 plus root 2. That means this is of the form a minus b times a plus b. Even if it is a minus b times a plus b or a plus b times a minus b, the result is same. A square minus b square. Now we can see what is in place of a. It is root 5. So we can write root 5 square. A square is root 5 square. Then what is b square? It is root 2 square. So we are writing root 5 square minus root 2 square. Root and square cancel. Then we get only 5. Then minus only 2. 5 minus 2. What is the answer? 3. Hope you understand what we have practiced here. If you like this video, please share among your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you with more useful videos.